Welcome to the Foxmore, a place where timeless elegance and modern sophistication unite to create unforgettable memories. Nestled in the charming lakeside town of Shelbyville, Illinois, the Foxmore is more than just a wedding venue. It's a destination where your dream celebration comes to life. Step into history as you walk through the doors of our meticulously restored 1893 landmark. From the stunning white oak staircase to the enchanting 1917 grand piano, every corner of the Foxmore echoes with the charm of a bygone era, while seamlessly blending with today's amenities. Whether you envision a grand celebration or an intimate gathering, our spaces are the perfect canvas for your love story. At the Foxmore, your vision becomes reality with the help of our in-house design center. Forget the hassle of external rentals. Here you'll find a curated selection of staging pieces, tablecloths, and floral arrangements, all designed to make your day uniquely yours. From classic to contemporary, our team is here to ensure every detail reflects your style and love. After the celebration, retreat to the Foxmore Lodge, our boutique hotel that offers a serene escape in the heart of downtown Shelbyville. With 8 beautifully appointed rooms, your guests will enjoy modern comforts within a historic setting. Relax in our guest lounge, take in the fresh air on the covered veranda, and savor the convenience of our shared amenities, all designed to make your stay as memorable as your event. Located in the picturesque town of Shelbyville, the Foxmore is just steps away from Lake Shelbyville's tranquil shores, offering endless recreational opportunities for you and your guests. Explore the quaint local shops, savor the flavors of nearby dining, and experience the warm hospitality of our charming community. At the Foxmore, we don't just host events, we create cherished experiences. Whether it's your wedding day, a special event, or a relaxing getaway, the Foxmore is where your memories are made. Join us and let your story unfold in a place where history and celebration come together. The Foxmore, a venue of possibilities.